In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. If websites are not loading correctly, or you're seeing odd errors, missing buttons, or forms that won't submit, it often means JavaScript is turned off or blocked. The good news is that turning it back on takes just a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start in Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner and click the three vertical dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. A new tab opens with Chrome's Settings page. On the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome groups everything related to website permissions and safety, so it's the right place to adjust how sites behave. Next, click Site Settings. This page controls what websites are allowed to do in your browser. Scroll down until you reach the Content section. Here you'll see an option labeled JavaScript. Go ahead and click that to open the JavaScript controls for your browser. At the top, under Default Behavior, select Sites can use JavaScript. This is the recommended setting because it allows interactive features across the web to work properly. Things like navigation menus, pop-up dialogues, streaming players, and checkout forms. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else to toggle or restart. If you were troubleshooting a page, simply reload it after making this change to see the difference. If a specific site still isn't working, check the section labeled Customize Behaviors just below. Sometimes a site may have been blocked by accident, either by a past click or an extension. Look for the site's address under Not Allowed to Use JavaScript. If you find it there, remove the block or switch it to Allowed so the page can run normally. This lets you keep JavaScript enabled for most sites, while making exceptions only where you truly need them. That's it. With JavaScript enabled by default, most modern websites will load as intended and interactive elements should respond smoothly. If you changed anything today, remember to refresh the page you were testing so it can pick up the new setting. Website's fixed and fully functional. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helped you get back to a smoother browsing experience.